We pack remote control components separately to reduce shipping expenses and offer more competitive pricing. Now let's learn how to assemble the remote control. You will receive a remote control shell and a box of parts. First, separate the top and bottom covers of the remote control shell. Gently pull them apart at the holes on the remote shell. This is the top cover of the remote control. This is the bottom cover of the remote control. Next, take out all the accessories from the box. Install the PCB onto the bottom shell. Make sure the two holes on the PCB align with the mounting points on the shell. Align with these two positioning posts. Connect the power cable to the PCB. Place the PCB in the correct position. The PCB doesn't need screws to stay in place. Take out the button parts for the remote control. The two buttons are the same. These two holes on the remote shell are for securing the buttons. Insert the buttons fixing shafts into the holes. Install the other button in the same way. Test if the buttons work properly. This is the normal sound when the buttons work. There are fixing posts and holes along the edge of the shell. Arrange the power cord neatly. Place the top cover in position. Then squeeze the top and bottom covers firmly together. Check that there are no gaps between the top and bottom covers. Check if the buttons function normally. Once everything works properly, fasten the top and bottom covers with screws. Only 4 screws need to be tightened. The indicator light of the remote works fine too. Now charge the remote control, and it's ready for use.